Bereavement Companionship Support haiba thimda numit nini gi oiba state level workshop ama ngarang Classic Grande da pangthokkhare Directorate of Health Services na sinuna pangthokkiba thawram aduda Imphal da ngasi Director Health Services Government of Manipur na ngasi haudokhre ngasi gi thawram aduda Health Services Manipur gi Director Dr. Enhancement Family Welfare Department ki Director Dr. N Bino Health Services ki former Director Dr. K.S. Sasikumar Mangang Charuyaki Thawramadu Saruk Yakibi Dr. Khairom Sasikumarna Thawramadu Saruk Yakiba Dr. Khairom Sasikumarna Ngasidi Ana Layeng Asi Sel Asuki Matik Changle Housing Changliba Sel Kusang Asi Akibagi Masakni Aikoina Prevention is better than cure Habisi Kaugumsi Director Dr. N. Hemantakumar ngasi aikoina kanagumba imungi miyoi ama leitabada tongan da chatna kanglon chatli kanagumba ama leitraba matungda samas ke imungi chatna bi tongale Manipur model palliative care aikoi punna hawdowina duna phidam nafam oihalasi health department of patients singdagi sel sangdana ba honai doctor singna patients singa awana khangdaba nate hauzi pawbada health services na honaduna tele ICU 10 bed ICU district khudingda 10 ICU bed laire puna Manipurda ICU chama humpu laire haina mang maka takhi
the diversion of our duty and responsibility met to cope with the sudden loss in a very strong way. So everyone knows, according to their belief, that we have different the community level of participations and the family members and relatives. But why such workshop is important? Because we caregivers usually attain the disease, the ailing patients in our facility level.